bad, was it? He was all right.
Yeah, you'll say he had about 7 minutes on it before. Right. Oh. I'll just get it flying. Hold on, let me just see what we like through the sun. Now watch it, can you still see it through the sun?
I still see it through the sun, yeah. It's not
Right.
great, but I can see it.
Right, okay. I'm going to turn it round, and as I come back past us, I'll switch it over to you.
Yeah.
And the idea is, if you don't need to turn it, don't turn it.
Yeah.
If you want to turn it, turn it. Right, you ready?
Yeah.
Yours. That's it. Start making, that's it. Start making a full turn. That's it. That's it. That's it. Now turn the other way. And if you find yourself getting too high, the stick you're using to turn it, if you push it down a bit, it'll lose altitude. Right, so start turning. That's it. Excellent. You all right, do you want me to correct it and bring it back round the front of us?
Yeah, go on then, yeah.
You're a natural, you had that for ages. You know what I mean, look.
Just doing itself, isn't it?
Yeah, it flies so level and so stable. Right, you ready?
Yeah, go on.
Yours. Right, I'm just going to take it off you just for a second, just until this banner thing's passed over.
Oh, okay, mate, yeah.
What I'll do is I'll come around and just land it quick, just until they've passed across.
Funny about it, didn't they?
Well, it's, I can't see the altitude he's at. It's what's winuseracing.com, that looks like. Right. Ready to go again?
Yeah. He's alright, this.
Yeah, so I mean, don't be nervy with it, just... Oh. Feels weird because the rudder is on the aileron stick on this.
Yeah, so it makes you awkward to take it off.
Yeah, because I'm using rudder and there's nothing on it. Right, you ready?
Yeah, got it.
Yours. That's it, keep that turn going that way, that's it.
Wrong way.
Ready?
Yeah, go on, you take it.
Yours, yours.
Okay, got it.
It's a killer with that sun, isn't it? So that's it, now start turning. Excellent. That's it, you're doing good. You alright, man? You see what I mean? How different it is. You get all the time in the world to make the decision what you're going to do with it.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice.
Down up in a minute, so give us a go on one of yours then. So you get jittery.
I mean, you can do this with anything. You can buddy any aeroplane.
You got to have the right one to learn with, as you say.
That's right. It's,
The thing is, especially from your point of view, the quicker it reacts in the air, the less time you've got to take it.
exactly, exactly. You find a lot of people when they made them fly stuff or first start flying, they worry it's not going to be able to go fast enough to fly. So they go full throttle, and the problem is the faster you go, the quicker things happen, and then the quicker things get out of hand, you know. You right?
Yeah. Oh, wait, that way. Stay away from the building.
That's it, don't land it on the roof, won't get it back. You alright?
I think so.
That's it, start turning the other way a little bit. That's it. See, that's why you need something simple like this. Look, it's about getting that feeling of what way to turn.
Yeah, that's it, it's just learning, isn't it?
That's it. So that's all it does, it just dances when you sort of go about back and forwards with it.
Right through that side.
Yeah, yeah, it's a killer, man. I'll keep on having to squint.
That's the control stopping you doing that.
That is, yeah, let's see, that got to the point then where it won't turn no more.
Well,
That's it, keep the turn going, keep the turn going.
bit of height. That's it.
Sweet. That's it, keep it up that end away from the sun. Do you want to attempt to land it?
Oh, God, no. I'll break it.
That's it, keep it coming round. That's it, keep it coming round.
You're going to come and land it, haven't you?
Right, no, go on, fly up the field, that's it, keep going straight up the field that way. I'll guide you in. Right, keep going, keep going. Right, now start turning the other way. That's all right, keep it going that way. Continue the full circuit all the way around, that's it, keep going. That's it, now level off. Okay, now start turning towards the trees. That's it, now drop your throttle.
Oh, God, no. Oh, my God.
So just keep it flying down the field.
You better take it. You better take this.
Ready? Here, I'll line you up, ready?
No, go on, you do it, you do it. I don't want to break it. Thanks for that.